Hi, this is Jana and welcome to my holiday kitchen. We are trying to come up with some ideas for you that we do traditionally in our own family. Over here I have our wonderful array of ingredients, and these are pick the ones that you like and go with it. And so we've got our pot of hot water that we are going to use as a simmering potpourri. And that's what we're doing today, is having potpourri. And so we've got our pan of water, or you can use your crock pot, okay? And so what we're gonna do is use our favorite things. And so we're gonna put in, I have a container here that I use from year to year that I just keep all of my spices and things in. And so I've got some wonderful allspice, and I buy these in bulk. You can look on Amazon and your stores. There was even some cloves in that one. Huh. I've got some bay leaves. We're going to put some bay leaves in there. You probably have a lot of this right in your own garden or in your own home. So there's bay leaf. Put another one in there. Bay leaf. I have some eucalyptus. You can find this at the Latino stores. They have eucalyptus, or Asian stores have unique. So I've got the eucalyptus in there, and as you all know, that is a very traditional aromatic leaf.
Sorry if the dogs bumped the camera.
Sorry, they're all around. It smells so good, even the dogs want to come. I have some, you can buy these at the craft store, some cinnamon sticks. And I've got some pumpkin pie spice. You know what that aroma is. I have some cloves that we've already got. See, I go to my farm store. Even our farm store has spices there, and they're really very large containers. I'm gonna put some cloves in there. Now, Erin went out to our garden. She got a sprig of rosemary. And then I had kind of a wilty orange. And so I'm going to add an orange. And then I had a wrinkly apple in my apple drawer. And so I am putting in an apple. And that is literally all of your favorite things. And you just go ahead and simmer those on very low heat on your stove.
And make sure to watch the water level.
And watch the water level. And if you use a crock pot, that's a whole lot better. And so what I did was I put in my Amazon storefront are some little cello bags, and they're self-sealing. And you can put little ribbons on or whatever. It makes great teacher gifts. It has all of what I just put in there.
I was going to zoom in on it a little bit.
And the only thing I haven't done yet is dehydrate my apples and oranges. I have a dehydrator, but you can do it in your oven shelf if you want to. And look at that. But these are wonderful, like teacher gifts. And then just put a little note on it that says what it is. That it's a simmering potpourri, so they don't put it in their pumpkin pie or turkey.
Or their coffee.
Or their coffee. And so thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen.